Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to withdraw USDT from Moonpay. It's a straightforward process, but with the latest updates, we'll make sure you're doing it safely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one peg to the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. Today, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your funds out quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you have a Moonpay account set up. If you don't, head over to their website or app and create one. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet dashboard. This is where all your assets are listed, including your USDT balance. Step 1. Locate the Withdraw or Send option, usually found in the top menu or on your asset page. Click on it to start the process. Next, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Moonpay supports a bunch of chains, so double-check that you're withdrawing to the right network, like Ethereum or Tron, to avoid any errors. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. You'll need to input the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. For added security, Moonpay often requires two-factor authentication, 2FA, so have that set up and ready. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and review the details one last time. After submission, you'll get a transaction ID, and it might take a few minutes to a few hours for the funds to appear in your wallet, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use a hardware wallet for larger amounts to keep your crypto safe from hacks. And if you're new to this, start small to get the hang of it. That's it for the guide. Withdrawing USDT from Moonpay in 2025 is easier than ever, but stay vigilant. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.